and welcome to BA 131, Module 13. We are going to talk about conference interpreting. Here is the sequence for the module. We have the introduction. Go ahead and read through this about conference interpreting, best practices, etc. Right here is what you're going to be learning, the contents of the module. The video lecture will be here. There is no PowerPoint for this module. Here are some resources on conference interpreting. Go ahead and review these. These are articles from the American Translators Association, some video perspectives on conference interpreting, especially at the United Nations. Here are some students visiting the United Nations for the first time. Go ahead and watch this video. And here is one of my colleagues on becoming a United Nations interpreter. Go ahead and watch this video as well. You're going to need these for the exercises we're going to be doing later on in this module. Class exercise 13, go ahead and read through this. This is a conference interpreting simulation. This is the introduction on what conference interpreting is, what you're going to be doing in this assignment. You're going to be interpreting a simulated conference. Here are the instructions. First, attempt it cold with no preparation. Do not take notes. Listen and take notes for part 2. And part 3, interpreting with strategy. And you're going to be turning in your self-reflection in a Word document, answering these questions right here. Be sure to number your responses. Here is the audio you're going to be interpreting. It's about 2 minutes. And here's the file name. Homework 13, you're going to pretend that you're preparing for an international conference. Go ahead and read through this. The instructions are right here. You're going to select a conference topic and develop your preparation plan based on the resources that you reviewed earlier. You're going to include this in your homework. Number your sections accordingly. And you're going to submit that in a Word document under this file name, your last name, your first name, HW13. After you learn about conference interpreting, you're going to have this discussion right here. Read through the introduction, the instructions for your post based on class exercise 13. Your response should answer these questions right here. Again, number your responses for easy referencing, and you reply to at least 2 of your classmates. The due dates are right here. And that's it for Module 13. This is what you will have learned. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, have a wonderful week.